Welcome back. Now we're going to take a look at NEISD's social media presence on Twitter. Let's get started. Open a browser. Usually it goes to neisd.net. Place your cursor in the Omni box at the end of the word net. Type a /, which is below the question mark on your keyboard, and then type in ITS and hit enter. That'll take you to the Instructional Technology Services webpage. Here at the scrolling banner, if you click on the middle dot, you will see follow us at NEISDiTech. If you click this link, that'll take you directly to the NEISDiTech Twitter page. Here we are at the Instructional Technology Twitter page. If you would do a big favor for us and click follow, so you can find all the information that happens in instructional technology right here on our Twitter feed. Our handle is at NEISDiTech if you want to tweet at us, or if you want to include hashtag NEISDiTech in your tweets, then we will see those and we can retweet them. So some of the things you're going to find on our Twitter page are the secondary and elementary newsletters that are tweeted out. So those are a live link directly to the newsletter. You'll also find things that are going on at the different campuses. This particular tweet was at Tex Hill Middle School. So you'll find teacher successes, student successes, new innovations that instructional technology is investigating. We'll tweet those or retweet those. Things are ever changing in our feed, so remember to follow us and check back often for more information.